You bringing your elephant out? What's an elephant say, Claire? Yeah, what's the elephant say? What's the elephant say? Oh, get moved, Mom. What are you doing with your elephant? What's the elephant say? Claire, what's he say? Did you say hi to Dot? Are you telling Dot about the elephant? Can you tell Dot what the elephant says? Oh, that's not what the elephant says. Are you giving Dot kisses? Is that your glove? She's kind of heavier than the elephant, huh? Yeah. Nice, gentle pets. Nice pets for Dot. Nice, gentle pets. Be gentle. Gentle, very good, Claire.